Just to get started here, we're going to start off with a simple pipeline that will ingest some chess data from chess.com and process that for us. Go ahead and select chess and hit enter. Bruin requires your project to be git initialized. That way it knows where the root of your folder is. In this case, the folder that we were working in was not git initialized. That's why it first created a folder named Bruin, and then inside that, it created our pipeline named chess. The Bruin YAML file is where your connections and secrets live. The Bruin YAML file must always be in the root of your repository. Now I want to show you what would happen if your project was already git initialized. Let's delete this project and let's start with git initializing our project. Alright, now that our project has been git initialized, let's run Bruin init again, and this time we will pass the name chess so that it can start the chess pipeline. We can see that this time it created the pipeline and put the Bruin YAML inside the root of the project that we already had, and it didn't create the Bruin folder anymore. Let's take a quick look at our project. We have our Bruin YAML that contains our connections. We have a pipeline folder, and inside that pipeline folder, we have a pipeline YAML that will define our pipeline, its name, some defaults, and the schedule will also go here if you have a schedule set up. Under the assets folder is where your assets live.